Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the Motorola ThinkPhone. So let's start to open the camera app, then slide to the left to the slow motion, but if you don't see this option in the menu bar, just go to the more and look for it here. So in the slow motion mode, just tap on this little icon to change the slow motion video speed. How you can see that we have 3 modes, and now I will show you the videos from each other. This is the minimum speed, this is the mid option, and this is the maximum slow motion speed in this phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.